government employees in Da Nang, Vietnam, have been targeted in a spear-phishing attack. Evidence points to the China state-funded hacker group Pirate Panda, also known as APT23 or AP23, as being responsible for this attack. The spear-phishing attack contains an Excel spreadsheet that drops 2 malicious files. These files execute a side-channel attack against Windows Defender. The malicious DLL replaces Utilman.exe as a shortcut in the startup folder so that a reverse shell is open to the attacker as soon as the system is booted up. Having Acronis Cyber Protect with its URL filtering and anti-malware protection can provide you with a safety net against phishing attacks and malicious files delivered through spreadsheets and other types of documents.